Elizabeth wants a clothesline, an outside clothesline. And what my lady wants, my lady gets.
Here we go.
Yeah. Wow.
Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill with Live Simple, Live Free. Elizabeth is still in California with her dad. I'm still here alone. She'll be home, I think, tomorrow. So she wants a clothesline, so I'm going to give her one. And you know, we watch a channel called Joel and Leah. They're two Brits who seems to be obsessed with American culture, and their whole channel is about comparing British culture to American culture. And they take themselves seriously, but I find them absolutely hilarious because most of the time when they're comparing the two, they don't know anything about America. They think they do, but they don't, and it's really funny to see their misconceptions about our culture. Anyway, what does that have to do with clotheslines? They've done several videos now about American, or the lack of clotheslines in America, and the fact that Americans all use dryers in the house instead of using clotheslines. Apparently it's very common in Britain for a lot of Brits to use clotheslines. And I guess they do have dryers in the house, but they very rarely use them. I don't understand this. Dryer is just so much easier, more convenient. But apparently everybody uses clotheslines in Britain. Nobody uses them in America anymore. I can remember when I was a kid, people used them, but I don't even know anybody that has one. But Elizabeth wants one, so here we go. See this right here? It's part of an old clothesline. It's an old relic, and there's that one there, but there is not one down the other end. There's only the one. See that telephone pole right here? That's just for a big yard light that we had the power company turn off. We hated it. It flooded our whole backyard with light, and we hated it. Anyway, but the pole is still there. It's a little off center from where the other post for the clothesline should be, but I can still make it work. So I'm going to put a cross piece up there and put clothesline for Elizabeth. Like I said, she's in California right now. She doesn't know I'm doing this. I'm not going to tell her, so hopefully I'll be able to surprise her when she gets home. So I'll be putting a cross piece right on here, right next to Elizabeth's beloved Lucy the dancing cow, the yard art that our son made for us. This is what we use to support our cucumbers when we grow cucumbers. "64 inches. "64 inches. Got this great big bee hanging around me. It's the size of a hummingbird. It's just sitting here looking at me. That's freaky. Wouldn't leave me alone. Six feet. 6 feet. 6 feet. That was not easy to get it lined up. There's still a gap at the bottom, but it doesn't matter. Top is level. It'll do. That's a little shaky. Yeah, now it's very solid. Now this is a little piece of hardware that's designed just for this. It clamps these two together and that's what holds that in place. Just got this at Lowe's, or any good hardware store will have this. So you can see here how this is attached. If this cable should get loose in the future, I can just undo this a little, loosen it a little bit, and pull the cable through further and then tighten it up again. But to make it a lot easier if it gets loose and does need to be tightened, I put in this turnbuckle and just turn it like that, and it tightens it up nice and tight. Alright, so I got 3 lines here. I think she will be very happy with that. So now she will be getting home tomorrow night, late. So the next morning I'll be able to bring her out here and show her her new clothesline. I'm excited. I think she's going to be very happy. This wasn't really all that difficult to do. It didn't take me that long, just a matter of getting the right parts. And it's done. Okay, you can look up.
Clothesline.
You clothesline, my lady.
Yes. Thank you. Oh, this looks great. I love hanging towels and sheets and all that stuff out on a clothesline. Oh, this looks great, hon. We had the T-bar over there, and you just made me one over here on this pole.
Yeah, it's a little bit off center because the other T-bar should have been here, but that doesn't matter at all.
Oh no, it's not going to matter. Oh, thank you. Oh, well, you know what? Not only do I really enjoy, thank you so much. Not only do I really enjoy, just, like I said, sheets, towels, the big things, not necessarily socks, you know, but hanging them out. But to me, that's just another good prepper thing.
Right.
Just a good thing to have so that if for some reason I don't have electricity, I can hang my clothes out.
That's right. After you wash your clothes with a plunger.
Well, I figure out a way to wash them.
Yeah.
Thank you.
There you go.
Awesome.
I think it worked.
Cool. All right. Thank you, hon.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Oh, live simple.
Live free. You be blessed.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time.
All right. Love you guys. This is cool.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, this is great, hon.